from Chef Ricardo cooking today, guys. Alright, it's a beautiful one, and I want you guys stay tuned into this one. Alright, now it's business time now, no time to muck about. We got 9 person watching video. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to start the show right now. Let's start this. We got 10 person watch. Alright, so the first recipe I'm going to make today from Chef Ricardo is this one, and it's going to be an amazing recipe from Chef Ricardo today. Alright, so right in this, I've already put some raspberry inside of it right here. So it's very easy one, and to be honest, you can get this to buy in the local shop or your supermarket to buy. Alright, so I'm going to make a perfect smoothie for weight loss. Alright, now just going to put a little bit of oats inside of it. I'm just pouring it from a bag because, you know, so we seal up the thing and all them with it. I make the thing the normal. So we're going to make a healthy smoothie for breakfast. Alright, we're going to put some ripe banana in it. Just our fingers of ripe banana inside of it. Alright, it's beautiful. And then what we're going to do, we're going to put a little bit of ice, a little bit of almond milk inside of it also. Alright, so truly want it to be well cold. We're going to put 2 pieces of ice inside of it. Secondly, I'm going to jump into the Caribbean fusion sauce and spice website. I'm going to grab the mixed spice. We're going to put in some spice inside of it, not much, and a little bit of a honey. Beautiful one, this one for all of you guys this morning. Alright, so this one is just a quick recipe for you to make in the morning. Alright, so let's blend this. This is going to take about 2 to 3 seconds to blend. Alright, it's beautiful. Nice one. So let me just take a good look at it and see it look. Alright, that looking good. Now it's just raspberry, guys, and you can get these to buy in a local shop or your supermarket. That is lovely. Alright, and this is it right here. This is how we normally do it. Alright, look at this. This morning you can have that for your breakfast. Alright, in the morning. Alright, guys, so yeah, and not only that, and that's how we normally do it when we are in the kitchen. Alright, show you exactly. So that's one right there, guys. Beautiful one. Now I'm gonna give you part 2. Alright, because these are some healthy breakfast recipes where you can make in the morning. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you how to make this one. Now I got some blueberry. Alright, now this one is going to be a delicious one from Chef Ricardo today. Alright, this one is going to be, come over right here. Alright, nice one. Alright, now this one is blueberry. Alright, very nice one, this one also. These are a recipe which I have long time, guys, and sometime I just release the recipe them. So that's blueberry. And we got some spinach. We're going to put a handful of spinach inside of it. Just like that. Alright. Little bit of ice inside of it. It's beautiful. And we're going to put roughly about 2 tablespoons of oats inside of it. Alright. I'm using the original oats inside of it. If you like, you can put whatever you want to put inside of it. You can put some spice, or, you know what I mean, put roughly about a teaspoon of honey And as I say, you can put some spice in it, some cinnamon, just a little bit inside of it, because you can have it for breakfast in the morning. Alright guys, beautiful to have in the morning for breakfast. So what I'm going to do is just add some milk to it, some almond milk. And this is some almond milk right here. It's beautiful. And we're going to blend this about 2 to 3 seconds. You can put ripe banana, a lot of stuff you can put inside of it. But we're just keeping it simple right now. Alright, let's blend this. So now, this one is just amazing for you to make in the kitchen. So if I blend this one more time, then you will see. Beautiful. All right, now, take a good look at this. And you can have this in the morning for a nice, lovely drink. It's beautiful, guys. Spinach with all of those natural ingredients. All right. So if you're in the morning and you want to make something fantastic, lovely, and delicious, here it is from Chef Ricardo Cooking. And I know you guys definitely will love this one. All right. It's a beautiful recipe, and you guys definitely going to love this one. All right. So now I'm going to give you the last one, and this one is a perfect weight loss recipe for you to make when you at home. All right, if you want to lose weight, then this is a recipe for you. All right, it's beautiful, fantastic, and an amazing for you to make at home. This is going to be the last one from Chef Ricardo for you guys. It's beautiful, lovely, and also delicious. All right. Very, very delicious one from Chef Ricardo Cooking today. So 100%, you guys definitely will love this, and an amazing drink, which I'm going to show you now. So this is going to be another one from the art of Chef Ricardo Cooking. And you know, I'm always trying my best to give you some of the most beautiful, fantastic, and an amazing recipe. You know, I try my best to give you some lovely recipe every day, guys. Something different, and something where you guys definitely can make at home. Alright, so this is going to be one of the last one from Chef Ricardo today. So stay tuned in. So we're going to have cucumber, and 95% of cucumber is water. Alright, so let's get some cucumber into the blender. This one is a very unique recipe. Alright, here it is, cucumber. And everyone loves cucumber, guys, trust me. We got some fresh mint. We're gonna put some fresh mint into it. Just like this. Alright. Yeah. Fresh mint is a must. So we're gonna put some fresh mint into it like this. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna get a nice lovely piece of a ginger. Alright, we're gonna remove the skin from the ginger. And this ginger is from Jamaica. Alright, beautiful piece of ginger. We're going to put a piece of a ginger inside of it. Also, we got some lemon juice, lime juice. We're going to squeeze some lime juice in it, rough about half of a lime into it. Secondly, we're going to put a nice, lovely handful of spinach inside of the blender like this. Alright, very unique recipe for weight loss, and definitely you guys will love this one. Alright, it's fantastic and an amazing 100%. And if you make this one at home, everyone will love it. Alright, so this recipe is just a recipe where you definitely want to make when you're at home. Alright, so without any further, please stay tuned in and enjoy this on an amazing recipe. Alright, yeah, lovely recipe from Chef Ricardo cooking today. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to get a little bit of liquid. I'm going to put it straight inside of a blender. Not too much liquid, you know, because you want to drink this one with the fiber and everything. Alright, so what you want to do, then let's put a pinch of apple cider vinegar into it, roughly about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Lovely. A lot of people can manage this, maybe you want to put on roughly about a teaspoon of honey. Alright, and then you want to go to the blend for about a second or 2 seconds if you have a good blender. Lovely. So what you want to do, if you want to drink it cold, you can drink it cold, honestly, but because the weather is so hot, very good recipe for you to drink at home. Alright, here it is. Alright, it's fantastic and an amazing 100%. Alright, you guys definitely will love this one. It's beautiful, lovely and delicious. Alright, and trust me, if you make this, the guys will love it. Alright, 100% guys. It's beautiful one from Chef Ricardo. It will make split because, you know what I mean, I didn't use, but it's beautiful. Now we can get some chai seeds and just put it on top of it. Alright, chai seeds is very good for weight loss. Yeah, man. That's it from Chef Ricardo cooking show today. 3 lovely recipe, very quickly, simple, and also delicious. Alright, if you like the recipe, please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, because we have a lot more recipe coming and a lot more ideas from Chef Ricardo and the team. A friend can tell a friend. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please tell your friend, tell your best friend, tell your niece, your uncle, your sister, your cousin, your brother. Tell everybody and let them know exactly what happened in the kitchen the last 24 hours with Chef Ricardo. Alright, it's a beautiful recipe, 100%. You guys will love this recipe because they're all weight loss and healthy recipe and detoxing. Very good for you to try something totally different at home. Alright, so if you love the recipe, as I said, leave your comments in the description box. Shout out to every one of you guys who watching. Whole heap of love and respect. Alright, because we have a whole heap more recipe will be coming, and trust me, you guys definitely will love this one. Alright, so maybe thank you so much for coming on the show. Nicole, thank you so much. Chef Andre, thank you so much. Really appreciate one of you guys who coming on the show and watch this on an amazing recipe. Alright, it's a beautiful simple one, but also delicious. Shout out to every one of you guys who watch this video now. Beautiful one, and to be honest, we got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo on the team. Alright, so stay tuned in.